Good morning and welcome to the channel. We are back here at the trim job I've been helping out with. I've done other stuff here as well earlier this spring, including their bathrooms, but they've started their trim, hoping to do it themselves. They've got pretty far, but there are some finicky things that I'm going to help out with today, including the baseboard that goes around the cabinetry they have in their bedrooms. So we'll jump down there now and show you what's going on. So here at the cabinetry, we've got to do a little bit of creative baseboard work, just because it's on a raised platform, which is more than the normal height of it. So I'm going to put the toe kick on still, and then we'll go around the toe kick with a piece of trim, like that essentially. These dowels just go into the ends of them. They should have been put on as the cabinet is being assembled, but I think their plan was to go with another option for the toe kick. So it's a bit of an afterthought at this point, which is okay. We'll try and make it work. Okay, that's it. Now I've got to rip up some material, probably 2 inches, whatever this is, and I'll cover that gap. Got these cut, 2 3/8. Well covered. But the one thing I will have to do is, because this platform is sticking proud a bit, I'm gonna have to notch out the back side of my trim. You can see here that this 2x4 is sticking back a bit, so if it's a baseboard against it, it doesn't quite sit tight. Pretty close, but not quite. So I'll cut the back side of that, probably like this much, just enough to be able to make a nice tight joint there so I don't have to caulk onto the cabinet. Okay, so this is my first piece. You can see I cut the back out a bit, 3/16-ish, and then I had to put notches where the gables of the cabinet came down, but it should fit, so let's put it in place and see. Here's where I had to do the notch out, which should fit nicely there once I nail it. Same with this corner. Have to cut this one out a little more. And then the grill goes on. Give you a closer look. Stuff like this gap, the homeowner will take care of as they trimmed this, so I'm guessing they'll just end up caulking it. But my job is done. You can see how I cut out around these gable ends for the cabinets. Figured out how to do the register decently, and now just have to figure out how to do the corner here. I didn't cut high enough. And this one. these two. Okay, got this one. Hey.
Nice.
Got it in.
Wow.
Okay, it's all installed. It's looking good. That will do it for this episode, and probably for the trim up here anyways. There's still some other things I'll have to end up doing, but they'll be the ones painting it and looking after it and everything from this point on. So that does it for me for this. I'll probably see you somewhere else in this house in another episode, as there's a lot of smaller things to be done, but that will do it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.